Piyush, and today we're going to be unboxing the Arlo Pro 2. So let's get started. So the Arlo Pro 2 is basically a wireless camera system that lets you see what's going on around your house and inside of it whenever you want, allowing you a peace of mind when you're not there. So this is the box that it comes in, and on the front it just says Arlo Pro 2. On the right side there's some very detailed statistics about what's included in the packaging and some very in-depth features of it. Then on the left side it shows that there's an app compatible with it, and then on the back side is the full list of all the specifications and features that come with the box. So on the back there's this little pull tab. You pull it and then you open up the box, and then the Arlo Pro 2 can just slide out like this, and then there's the box gone. And there's some information that you can get. There's some stickers to put on your house, just letting other people know, like intruders or somebody, that there's a camera system. Then there's a quick start guide. So this is everything included in the box. First of all is the actual base station. So the way this works is the 3 cameras send information about the recordings and the recordings themselves to the base station, and then the base station can send this to multiple places. For example, your phone. Then there's the power cable for the base station, the charging brick for the actual charging batteries of the Arlo Pro 2 cameras. Then there's the actual batteries that go into cameras. So there's obviously 3 of them, which are right here, 1, 2, and 3. Then the actual most important part of this is the actual cameras themselves. They're actually pretty small, as you can see. They don't take up that much space, and they work indoors and outdoors, wireless or wired. So there's the 3 of those, and then here's the Ethernet cable for the base station, the charging cable for the 3 batteries. Then there's the 3 mounts if you want to mount them indoors or outdoors. Then there's some screws, and finally there's some more mounting brackets. There's obviously 3 of them, and that's really it. There's nothing else left. That's really it for today's video. Make sure to like, share, and obviously subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time.